In this video, I'll show you how to turn on iCloud Keychain on iPhone so your passwords are saved and synced automatically across your Apple devices. First, open Settings on your iPhone and tap your Apple ID name at the top, which is linked with Apple Inc. Now, go into iCloud, part of iCloud PCU. Scroll down and tap Passwords and Keychain. In some iOS versions, it may simply appear as Keychain. Here, turn on the toggle for iCloud Keychain. You may be asked to enter your passcode or Apple ID password to confirm the setup. Once enabled, your iPhone will securely save and sync your passwords, Wi-Fi details, and account information across all your Apple devices automatically. If you don't see the option, make sure your device is updated to the latest iOS version and you're signed in properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled iCloud Keychain on your iPhone. Pretty simple, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials and security tips.